Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make cheesecake with yogurt and condensed milk. Start by crushing 200 g of biscuits into crumbs and press into a 9-inch pan for the base. Mix 500 g Greek yogurt with 1 can sweetened condensed milk and 2 teaspoons vanilla until smooth. Fold in zest or fruit, pour over the base, chill for at least 4 hours until set, then slice and serve. Collect all ingredients and tools before starting to keep the process smooth and stress-free. Measure biscuits and melt butter to bind the crust quickly. Combine yogurt and condensed milk in a chilled bowl to maintain texture. Add vanilla and lemon zest for balanced flavor, and gently fold in fruit if using. If you want a firmer set, dissolve gelatin per package instructions and incorporate it while warm into the yogurt mix. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit the like button to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps water cold through long kitchen sessions and prevents spills while you whisk and bake, so you stay refreshed. It's handy, leak-proof, and easy to grab between steps, which I appreciate during long chilling times. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Prepping the crust first saves time and gives a crisp foundation for the cheesecake. Press crumbs evenly and refrigerate briefly so the filling sets on a stable surface. Whisk the yogurt and condensed milk until silky and taste to adjust sweetness or lemon. Pour carefully, tap to release bubbles, and cover before chilling. Patience during the chill period rewards you with clean slices and a perfect, creamy texture that holds when plated.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.